Hey friends, long ago I had a book called The Joy of Cooking, and it's just a classic. And one of my favorite recipes from that book was cherry crunch. It really is fabulous. So you want to start with cherries in juice, not cherry pie filling. They're not the same. So you're just getting canned cherries or jarred cherries with juice. You've got a stick of butter melted, a cup of oatmeal, I use self-rising. If you use plain, you're going to have to add baking soda and salt, and then a cup of brown sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of tapioca. The first thing you're going to want to do is drain your cherries, but you're going to want to reserve the juice, so drain them in a bowl like this, where you will not lose that juice. I measured out a half a cup of the cherry juice, and I put the tapioca in a bigger bowl because while you're working on the crisp, you want to just let this sit and it'll thicken up. So we're going to set this aside. So you just want to spray your dish, okay? You're going to want to get a bowl. And I'm just going to mix this with my hands and get it crumbly. When I tell you this bakes up to a fabulous dessert, I'm not kidding. You just want to get a nice little crust on the bottom. Now, you want to take your cherries. Make sure you're getting sour cherries. Maraschino are sickly sweet. You want these dark sour cherries. We're going to pour cherry juice with the tapioca. As it cooks, the tapioca will thicken. Okay, so a 350 oven until it's golden, so here we go.